Over time, our technology did not just level up our mobile devices, computer desktops, and tools. Now we have even a leveled up version of our cars and accessories we might want to add to our cars for more convenience. Welcome, and you are watching Technology Zone, where the home of technology resides. Join us as we get down with these 15 amazing new inventions to level up our vehicles. Number 1. Pro TEC TM23. Germany has created an intriguing evacuation service option that combines mobility and simplicity. The Pro TEC TM23 system has already been in service for more than 20 years, so you might have seen it before. The model has a remote control and may be placed on any light vehicle or SUV weighing between 6,001 and 16,500 pounds. Additionally, the present model has a load capacity of around 5,000 pounds. The tailgate is also still entirely functional. Surprisingly, the TM23 model has a unique front mounting option. Also, a snowplow may be created out of an SUV using one of the model variations, and additional gears are available too. So no matter the season, your improved vehicle will be very useful. Number 2. Very good green track. When operating on uneven ground, the green track tracks designers give enhanced traction and false transmission. Here are some figures in case anyone isn't sure. Tire life is extended by 60% while utilizing the tracks, and nominal ground surface pressure is decreased by 30 to 50%. Additionally, it uses less gasoline, is more steady, and handles rough terrain with ease. Steel is the primary component, and because there are several track options, you could even use these with trailers. The manufacturer also emphasizes a unique benefit, which is less severe ground impact of tracked vehicles, which is crucial while working in the woods. Number 3. ETT Core Car Trailer. Have you ever heard the saying, "I carry with me all that is mine"? Well, owing to the inventiveness of its designers, this line of ETT Core folding trailers has rendered it a reality. Depending on the demands of the customers, the trailers enable the establishment of a conference room, a shop, a modest museum, a workshop, a workplace, or any other facility. The regular version weighs roughly 3,500 pounds and unfolds to a width of about 16 feet. The design is available in a truck variant that is meant for year-round use. You wouldn't even need to drive the car outside to fold or unfold it when it can be utilized as a garage. Number 4. Front runner spare wheel step. Here's another method for getting to the car's roof that would be ideal for outdoor travelers and campers. A detachable ladder that is mounted on the spare tire provides a quick but effective option for unloading cargo or simply lounging on the roof. The ladder fits wheels with a diameter of 24 to 35 inches and weighs just approximately 7 pounds. By use of a ratchet strap, they are mounted, hence no tools are needed. The two steps, the frame, and the non-skid cushions are all composed of steel, and this ladder is $179 in price. Number 5. Topper Easy Lift. A spot to relax and snooze in the pickup truck's back? Well, here you have it. The creators of this technology claim there is no problem with that. It can be installed on a 5 to 8 foot frame, is adaptable, and when used with the weekend or camper package option, it provides a bunk bed, a television, lights, and a fan. The designers used a creative strategy. When the device is folded, there is ample capacity to carry bags, thanks to the innovative use of the tailgate as additional space. Because of the exceptional quality of the parts, which are driven by an electric motor, the producer is certain that they will last a lifetime. More upgrades are available too, such as the ability to transport a quad bike. Number 6. Swing Lift ML500. In numerous industries, including goods transport, manual handling injuries account for more than one-third of all workplace accidents. In this industry, the swing lift range of ultralight electric canes can serve to protect employees from overloads. And not only that, there are many models for vans, pickup vehicles, trucks, and even trailers, each weighing just 95 pounds overall and having a maximum payload of 1,102 pounds. Additionally, all mechanics are small and take up little room. Remote control and the ability to rotate the crane and change the boom's reach are provided for ease. In the event of parking issues, this lessens the chance of causing damage to the load or surrounding cars. Number 7. Maxon C2. If you have a pickup truck and regularly need to transport stuff but don't yet necessitate a crane, you'll appreciate this tailgate edition. Depending on the model, it can support up to 1,500 pounds, enabling you to complete jobs that would have previously required at least 2 persons. Very convenient, right? Because the hydraulic system is completely enclosed and the bearings don't require lubrication, the adjustment barely changes the vehicle's overall size and requires very little maintenance. The control system is automatically turned off 90 seconds just after the previous action to prevent unauthorized use. The firm also offers versions for vans and other service vehicle models. Before we continue, may I ask, what amazing innovation for leveling up your vehicles have you seen or have tried so far? Comment down below and I'll certainly read your feedback. Number 8. Hilltip Jet It. Experts from Finland are coming to amaze us. What else do you think of their suggestion to include a high-pressure washer in every car? Since no specialized equipment would be required, cleaning the streets will become simpler and quicker. Cold and hot water are just two of the possible washing alternatives. The highest temperature for heating is 284 degrees Fahrenheit. And also, the producers claim that hot water would come in handy for controlling weeds. Up to 264 gallons may be stored in the tank, and the pace is up to 15 gallons per minute. The heaviest model is 1,036 pounds, and the lighter one weighs 232 pounds. Additionally, a 98-foot hose is included, which is useful for removing graffiti. Number 9. OK Camp Awning. It's time to unwind after a long day of work. With the help of this awning, you can quickly and easily create a lovely picnic area just beside your vehicle. It brings comfort including on hot summer days and occupies an area of around 151 square feet. It is slightly around 6.5 feet long and 60 pounds in weight. It is attached to the rooftop or roof rack and is kept in a PVC cover. It has metal spikes and nylon guy wires, and its height may be adjusted too. The awning is water repellent and further shielded by polyurethane spray in case of inclement weather. Your picnic will also be lightened up by the 3.3-foot LED strip powered by the cigarette lighter in your car, and this will cost you $916. Number 10. Sortimo Dash-Trager Top System. Car roofs are frequently not utilized at all, especially if they are quite high. But surprisingly, an additional room for hauling items is offered by this top system roof rack. It looks like a typical roof rack but has a few unique features. It is first and foremost modular and may be arranged to fit the needs of the customer and the vehicle's capabilities. For instance, there is a customized 8.2 or 9.8 foot long ladder carriage, lighting equipment, and an aluminum support tube. Second, even heavy loads are simple to secure using ProSafe system. Third, the roof rack has passed crash tests and is so durable that the manufacturer promises it will outlast your present vehicle and be compatible with your future vehicle. Number 11. VDL Togo. An odd way to tow trucks is with the Togo system. The concept is quite straightforward and takes just one person around 15 minutes to attach it to the tractor's fifth wheel. Once fastened, the vehicle's rear rises up, making transit simpler and allowing the vehicle to be pulled behind the trailer as usual. Due to its uncomplicated design, it is also compatible with almost all tractors, including 4x2 and 8x4. The company says that this method saves time and money because a special tow vehicle is not required. Additionally, you may get a lighting system and a unique brake kit as an option. Number 12. Top Mobility Roll-A-Ramp. This electrically driven folding ramp is yet another improvement for a van. It has several applications. The ramp, for instance, makes it easier to carry wheelchairs and support mobile repair services for scooters, bicycles, and other goods. The starting price is $2,679. Furthermore, the producer claims that it will be easier to install than competing products and won't require extensive vehicle changes. Also, aluminum alloy 6061 of aircraft grade is the main component. Pushing a button is all that is needed to unfold it, and the maximum cargo capacity is 1,000 pounds. The ramp is around 26 inches broad and 6 feet long. Number 13. Tear. This inflatable roof rack combines an innovative product with the evolution of transportation. The creators presented their brilliant project in this manner. Let's begin with the composition. According to the experts, they utilized bike inner tubes made by the Kenda business. Due to the fact that the standard bicycle pump could be used to inflate it, this made the device more affordable and handy. Special straps are used for the fastening, and also about 5 minutes are needed for the installation process. The equipment is capable of supporting various loads, including surfboards, kayaks, building supplies, and furniture. Moreover, when folded, it will take up less room than a shoebox. price points begin at $60. Number 14. Helia Hitch Helper. With just a 2-inch hitch, the creators of this helper seek to expand transportation options. The item is made for circumstances in which a pickup truck or other comparable vehicle should be used to move bulky or huge cargo, such as farm equipment or large trailers. It lessens the drawbar's load. The payload is raised by 1,800 pounds and the weight is spread more evenly. The tires have a universal tread and are strengthened for commercial use. In addition to extending tire life and improving agility and load capacity, the extra wheel also removes the chance of wheel hop, which is an effect that occurs when a vehicle's drive wheels start to bounce when attempting to accelerate and produces a distinctive sound. Number 15. Airless Tire. Lastly, around the 20th century, the military was able to use technological advancements for their vehicles, and these are the airless tires. The name itself defined its own meaning. Cells constructed of rubber take up the role of the air in them. A honeycomb-like structure made of rubber plates is within. Airless tires appear to provide a lot of benefits. They can endure wounds from shrapnel, bullets, and punctures, but there is a drawback: limited elasticity, which greatly reduces speed. Engineers are currently making efforts to enhance cell architectures because of this. Even wary companies are curious. Michelin debuted their version in 2017 and stated that the first units for passenger automobiles will be produced as early as 2024. Quit being sluggish because it's time to put your intellect to work. Welcome to Technology Zone, where you'll find fascinating information from the past, present, and the future. From the grandeur of nature to wild creatures and amazing truths. Subscribe today and you will never be disappointed.